Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the backward loop increase. M1BL is a very easy and very versatile increase you can use in the middle of a project or at the end of a row. It's one of the very few knitting increases where you don't pick up a strand from a previous row or work with a stitch from the current row. You are only using the working yarn. So let's show you how to knit it. The backward loop increase is a directional increase and it creates a slightly left slanting increase. I'm going to show you the right leaning alternative at the end of this video, but let's start with the standard method first. First you have to knit to the point where you want to place the increase. So I knitted 3 stitches here. And now what you have to do is you have to wrap the working yarn around your left thumb clockwise, like so, creating a little loop here. And now you have to insert the right needle into this loop from below, like this. And then you can remove the thumb and tighten up. And here is already your first backward loop increase. Let's do it one more time. We're gonna knit 1 stitch here. And now again, wrap the yarn around your left thumb clockwise, like so. And then insert the right needle into the loop from below, like this. And there is your second increase. One thing you should know is if you're a continental knitter like me and you're holding the yarn like this, then you already have a loop here and you can, theoretically speaking, also pick it up like this. I'll do it one more time. So you're already using this loop here and you're picking it up like this. This will be a bit faster. Sometimes a pattern requires you to cast on stitches at the end of a row with this technique, and then you simply have to repeat these steps over and over again until you reach the desired amount of stitches. You won't need the left needle for this technique, so you can put it to the side. And then again, wrap the yarn or the working yarn around your left thumb clockwise. Insert the needle from below, remove the thumb and pull tight. Now wrap the yarn around your thumb again, pick up the loop from below, tighten up. Wrap the yarn around your thumb, insert the needle from below, tighten up. And like this, once you get the hang of this, you can go really fast with this method. You are casting on stitches. Now let me warn you, this will create a rather tight edge and it's maybe a bit more difficult to knit, so maybe try to do the loops a bit looser than in the middle of a project. For the right leaning alternative, you have to wrap the yarn around your thumb the other way. Let me show you how. Before we wrap the yarn around the thumb clockwise. And now we're doing it exactly the other way around, like so. And then we pick up this loop from behind and above and slip it onto the needle. Like this. Let's do it one more time. So we're not wrapping around the thumb clockwise but counterclockwise, like so. And then we pick this loop up from behind. Again, you can also, and I think this is even easier, if you're a continental knitter, you can use already the loop around your index finger and pick it up like this, and this will create the exact same increase. I'll do it one more time. So I pick it up from above and tighten up. It's very important that you pull tight, because otherwise you will create gaps and you don't want that. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the backward loop increase. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if I was able to teach you this technique, and of course consider subscribing to my channel. Happy knitting!